All right. Now I can put in my standoff screws to my motherboard. And one of the ways that you can tell that you have a flex connector trapped is, number one, your board won't sit flush, obviously. And then two, you just know how many flex connectors that you're supposed to have on top of the board. And if you don't have that many, then obviously something is stuck. And that's honestly how I found out something was stuck, is I saw that there was some flex connectors missing, so luckily I caught that when I did again.